Now, you see, family, I think Jim Cramer has been listening to my videos. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. But let me get to this. Jim Cramer expects Bitcoin to dump to 12,000. It's pre-fiasco level. Well, Jim Cramer, I really do believe it's going to touch the $10,000 mark. I may be wrong. I may be wrong. But I believe that we are going to touch the $10,000 mark. Now, I'm going to show you why in a little bit. Let me get into the article what Jim Cramer is saying. So this is what he says. He's like, I think it goes to $12,000 where it was before this whole fiasco began. And what he means by that is he means by the whole pump when we shot up to $64,000. We're going to retrace all the way back down. He said he believes that these two major investors in Bitcoin had to put it up as they can't let it go down anymore. So they took up the role of people who say that this price dump is a norm before Bitcoin skyrockets. This is a normal state of affairs for crypto prices. Finally, Cramer shared that he believes Bitcoin is going down to 12,000, where the fiasco began. Now, let me show you on the charts right quick. As you guys see the charts, all right? So let me get it a little closer. Let me get it to the bars right quick so you guys can really understand and really see what is really going on. All right. So if you guys see the patterns right here, went up to 47 grand, retraced back down to what, 46,000, and the whole decline came up 42, decline all the way down. As you guys see a W, the W form, okay? These here are the shoulders. Boom, that's the neck, the shoulders. Okay, it retraced all the way down to the $20,000. Okay, we're going to go down a lot more lower than what Jim Cramer thinks. We're going to touch a $10,000 mark. As you guys see, let's scroll down. Look at this dip. We're going to scroll it down a little bit more. You guys see all this right here, right? You see we all had the retracements. We went back up, retracement. Let's scroll all the way down, all right? So we're at the $20,000 level right now, all right? So it's going to go, it has this little pump. We're going to retrace all the way back down to 17,000, around 17,000, right? You see that there. And then we're going to shoot back up around the 20,000, okay? And then we're going to come all the way back down and touch the 14,000, okay? That's going to happen soon. That's going to happen soon. I say by next month. Next month, we should be around the $12,000 mark, okay? This is where we're heading at, the $12,000 mark. Once we touch that $12,000 mark right there, see the 12,000? See, first, right now, we're at 20,000, okay? We'll retrace down to 17 grand, shoot back up to 19, retrace all the way back down to 14,000, down to 13, and we'll have another retracement down to 11,000, and we might shoot back up. We might shoot back up to the 14,000. But honestly, where it's looking at for me, how I'm looking at it, we're looking at the 10,000, around the $10,000 mark. And family, once we hit that bottom, again, we're in June. This is the whole July. The whole July, we're going to be seeing around $17,000. Around September, $10,000. We're going to not crash, but we're going to bottom out. We're going to bottom out around $10,000 to $9,000. Then all of a sudden, around October, we should be pushing back up around 15 grand, shoot up again, 19,000. We're going to retrace back down, but that's where we're looking at. $10,000. Jim Cramer says around 12 grand. I say around $10,000. All right. So family, listen, it seemed like I've been head on. I've been feeling the market. I've been accumulating. And I know some of you guys are accumulating Bitcoin and you guys are accumulating other digital assets, altcoins as well. But remember what Crypto Brown say. We're going to touch the $10,000 mark. We're not too far away. We are definitely going to touch the $10,000 mark. All right, fam. So there was a bill presented in Brazil, okay, seeks to include crypto as approved means of payment. And that's going on around the world. So while the market is looking where it's looking at right now, family, do not be afraid. Fear is fake. You buy fear, don't buy greed. That's what you want to do. And definitely, family, while we are in this market right now, Yeti coin. I know some of you guys must have already touched a trillion tokens in Yeti coin. And listen, look at the ecosystem. It's on the Ethereum ecosystem and it has the move to earn app, fam. You do not want to be pushed away from this valuable token here. Okay, this is a gem. I want you guys to understand this is a gem. Do not let the numbers fool you. Don't let anything else fool you. You know we hold GOPX. That's definitely going to go up as well, family. But back again at this chart, we are looking at the $10,000 level right now. Okay, we're sitting at 20 grand right now. But as you guys know, it's going to touch down to 17,000. It's going to touch back down to 17,000. Retrace back up to 19 grand. Retrace all the way back down to around 14 grand. Retrace again to 13,000. Go back down to 12. Shoot back up to 14. Head back down to $10,000, family. So you guys stay bullish. Know what you hold. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.